Hello kids, let's learn to do this shapes drawing and this color wheel. Kids, first color name red color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, pink color, blue color, yellow color and orange color. Kids, shapes of drawing green color, rectangle, circle, cylindrical, pentagon, heart, rounded is square, kids, color wheel red color, rectangle, rectangle red color, purple color, circle, yellow color, cylindrical, light green color, light green color, pentagon, brown color, heart, sky blue color, rounded square, rectangle, circle, cylindrical, pentagon, heart, rounded square. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.